Good evening, guys. Welcome to the Midnight Mod Garage. Tonight we are going to be installing the ARM N55 charge pipe. Now this is a 6061 aluminum charge pipe. It bolts right up to the stock flange, and whether you have an aftermarket intercooler or the stock intercooler, it will marry up. It does come with a new O-ring gasket. I'll go over a little more details when we do the unboxing, but if you are going to be running beyond stock boost levels, you are going to want to do this upgrade. Let's get started. Alright guys, my favorite part, unboxing. So here is the charge pipe. Here is the location for the new turbo map sensor. You also have a nozzle for NOS, a nozzle for water meth injection if you choose to go that route. Comes with a silicone arm to connect up to the intercooler. New clamps. Two stickers. 2.5 horsepower each if you do both sides. And your hardware, which includes a rubber gasket, 2 bolts, and 2 washers, which you can see in the bottom left-hand corner. That's everything you need to get this puppy hooked up. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the air intake. We've got a metal clip here, one here, one here, one here. The map sensor needs to be unplugged, which is just a squeeze and pull. And then you use a 6mm or a flathead to undo this clamp right here so you can remove this whole piece. Are we filming?
We're filming.
Good. Next we're going to do this clip right here, flathead, pull straight up. You can undo the map sensor once the piece is loose. A T30 bolt, which is right down here. There she is, that little guy. And then over here you've got the last clamp, which is going to the intercooler right down here.
I think we might be just about there.
I'm gonna take this piece and we jam it in your ass.
Medieval coat hanger looking torture device. Look how far we've come. Mike's testing the strength of the coat hanger.
It is seated.
We've got these awesome looking T-clamps that are probably 20 bucks a piece, and a wire hanger bent into the shape of a whatever.
Okay, now
Tighten the T-clamp.
I'm gonna tighten the key.
Look at how sweaty Michael is. His shirt is changing colors right in front of our eyes.
Welcome to Florida.
Which only takes 4 hands, so we can get footage of that.
And it's in. Okay, now you'll see these 2 nipples right here, and you're probably wondering what those are for. Jay, what are those for?
One of them is for well, one's for nitrous, and
Neither
the
of
other
them are for adding water. You're wrong. So one of them is for N2O, meaning
one of them's for nitrous,
oxide,
and the other's for
a water meth injection kit.
Water meth injection.
Now, we aren't going to use either of those methods on this, so I'm just gonna snug them up a little bit and we should be good to go.
I'll go get the nitrous nozzle.
Thank you, no. And it is reassembly time. still waiting for Jay to tighten that 1/6mm bolt. Alright guys, so there you have it. The charge pipe is now installed. We have all the supporting mods for a nice safe stage 1 tune. The Burger Motorsports stage 1 tuning software will be arriving in the next couple days. We'll do a quick video on how to install that. It is just 2 plugs and a connection to the ECU port right underneath the top cowling. And we'll go over that, but otherwise it'll be a nice, safe stage 1 daily driver. The kids really wanted a convertible, and that's why I actually ended up getting it. So I had something to putt around in when I'm not driving the M2.
And it makes good power now.
It makes great power. It'll make about 390 at the wheels. So Jay, what's next on your car?
The IS300 is still running the stock headers with I think it's got 2 cats on it, so ceramic coated long tube headers coming up next for the IS300.
Is that going to make it fast?
Between that and the 200 shot of nitrous, we should be medium.
Alright, good. So we'll get a dyno tune and see if he broke that 100 mark on the IS300, and we'll see you guys again shortly. Thanks again from Midnight Mod Garage.
Stay tuned.